Hi everyone, thank you for joining me today. So today's video is going to be me unboxing my FabFitFun box that I just received in the mail. I'm really excited to share this with you. This is actually the only subscription that I do because I used to do Ipsy, but I kept getting sample size stuff over and over again. It was the same thing that I didn't like and you couldn't really customize it. And FabFitFun is a box that lets you get it 4 times a year, and it lets you actually pick, it gives you an option of things that you can pick for yourself, so you can pick what you feel would fit you the best. I'm not a partner with them, this isn't sponsored or anything. I just really wanted to share with you guys my thoughts on the FabFitFun box. So if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you get notified every time that I post a video. Let's get into it. Now, one of the things that FabFitFun does that I love is they give you this magazine and it tells you everything that you're gonna get in the that you got in the box and the price of it, and a little description for it and how to use it. Some of these prices, sometimes I look at them and I'm like, is that really $22? Because I wouldn't have paid more than 10 bucks for it. Now, in picking this box for the summer, I had in mind that I had a up and coming beach vacation. So I picked most of the things in this box thinking about that vacation. So in the first category, they gave you as an option, you could either pick the mini travel blow dryer, the lotus towel, the Brazilian bum cream with the Foreplay moisturizing shower gel, or the Maya kimono. I was kind of torn between the bum cream with the moisturizing shower gel or the travel blow dryer or the lotus towel. I ended up going with the bum cream and the shower gel because I keep seeing this everywhere, people talking about it, and I want to try it. But it's a little up there for a lotion, and I didn't want to spend my money on something that I might not like. So I'm really glad that I received it. Now I can try it, I can see if I like it, and if it's something that I'm going to continue to use, this is a perfect way to be able to decide on for that. So for option number 2, we have the West Elm Indigo tie-dye bowls, the Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask, the Summer and Rose Navy Diamond Tote, and Exo Sienna Black Felt Letterboard. This was actually an easy pick because obviously I told you I had my vacation in mind, and what do you need on every beach vacation? A beach bag. It is very good quality, it's nice and sturdy, it's a perfect length for me, very spacious. I don't worry about carrying the towels because they have little stands there where you can pick up the towels, but for the kids' sunscreen, anything that I might want to take, a book in here, my sunglasses, any other little thing, maybe some lip gloss, whatever I need to bring and carry along with me. This is perfect. It's a perfect size. I love the color, so I'm really happy, and this is definitely going to get a lot of use on my vacation. So in the third category, they had some resistant bands, a necklace, and a set of silicone wine glasses. What I ended up getting was the wine glasses. I think these are perfect because they don't take any space in your beach bag. You can fold them up, shove them in there, and that's something that plastic or like the metal ones, they can't do. So for the fourth option, they had the London Eye Duo Black Liquid Eyeliner, the Living Proof Non-Frizz Nourishing Styling Cream, and a mystery item. So I went with the Living Proof No Frizz. As I've mentioned before, I have frizzy hair, so when something says no frizz, sign me up. I want to try it, see if it works. I did try it this morning. I will be honest with you, I don't think it will hold up to Florida humidity and my frizzy hair if I'm wearing it loose and wavy. However, I styled it up right now in a little bit of a, not really messy bun, but in a high bun, and it has tamed like any side frizz or any frizz up here. It did a really good job at that. I was wearing my hair down earlier and it still kind of got a little frizzy, but for styling, it's worked so far. So I will definitely bring this with me on my vacation because I could just, redo the same look for dinner. And I don't want to be blow drying my hair. I'm going to be there for 7 days. I don't want to be blow drying my hair every day because I'm going to be getting in the pool. And on top of that, I'm going to the Dominican Republic, which also has high humidity. So then for the fifth option, it was the Dr. Rogers Restore Healing Balm, the Coola Organic SPF, and the Intelligent Nutrients Refining Micro Polish. This one, I couldn't decide if I wanted to do the Coola SPF or the Refining Micro Polish because I need an exfoliant, so I was torn between the both of them. And the lovely thing about FabFitFun is you don't have to pick one. You can pick two, which is what I did. For $10 more, or no, it wasn't 10, I think it was like $7 more. I could just add this one, which it retails for $57. So to be able to add it for $7 is a killer deal. And I also got to use the pick the SPF, the Coola SPF, which is a great thing to bring with you on a beach vacation. Sometimes like face SPF is really thick and heavy on my skin and it'll make me break out, especially if I'm using it like 7 days straight in a row. And I've never tried this before, but I'm hoping that because it's a spray and it's a little bit lighter, it won't do that to me. So I'm looking forward to using this on my vacation and then exfoliating when I come back. And now for the 6th, 7th, and 8th and 9th category, this is stuff that everyone gets. This I don't really pick, they just surprise you with it. And this is the Grace and Stella, what is it? Hydrating Rose Facial Spray. Now, this cap is like impossible. I don't like the spray on this thing. It's like in your face. It's kind of big for travel, so I don't know about that. It's very fragranced. It smells like straight up rose room spray. I don't see myself using this, so maybe I'll probably like hand this off to my mom or something. I don't really even know if she'll use that, but I don't think that's bad. You know, out of what, all of these things, I've already got 1, 2, 3, 4 things that I'm really excited. So the box is pretty much already paid for itself. So this is another one of the things that they just send you that you don't really get to customize or anything. And it's this Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. And it seems to be more for people with dry skin. Sorry, not for dry skin, for oily skin. And I do get oily like patches around here and my chin and sometimes occasionally my forehead. So I will probably be saving that for those special occasions where I have extra oil buildup in that area. This isn't something that I'd put all over my face because this part of my face tends to get really dry. Moving along is the foot mask. This is gonna be great to keep my feet nice and hydrated and not looking cracked and ugly. I can't pinpoint what this smell reminds me of. Oh, and then I almost forgot about these. And I probably forgot about them because I don't use these. I bought a pack a while back on my own, not FabFitFun. Maybe I think they were the imitation ones. They weren't the original ones. They were probably like some I think it was like the Conair brand or whatever. But I wasn't a huge fan. I ended up giving them to my daughter. I'm probably gonna end up giving this to my daughter too. I'm gonna go ahead and try them just to see. Maybe they're a little different than the other ones that I bought. But I see myself handing this off to my daughter. So out of 9 stuff, really the only things that I probably won't use is this spray, these, and that's it. Everything else I'm really excited about using. So all in all, this box is a wonderful thing for this season. I'm gonna definitely get a lot of use out of the stuff in here. I made great choices for my vacation and I'm looking forward to getting to use all of this stuff. I'm not sure if customization is still open, but this box is definitely something that you can still purchase. It's still on their website. You can go to FabFitFun.com and you can order it for yourself. I'm gonna go ahead and pack all this stuff so that I have it with me and I don't forget it. I'm also thinking about doing a pack with me video. Let me know if you guys would be interested in that. If you receive FabFitFun, let me know what are your favorite products. I can tell you right off the bat, my favorite thing that I received from the last box that I got was my Swell water bottle. I use that thing every single day. So thank you for joining me today and watching this video. Take care, have a wonderful day, and I'll catch you in my next video.